And then moving on to ACE, I think it was a splendid teaching learning experience because that's I feel like my transition into university was smoother because people were treated as adults at ACE, as 17, 18-year-olds, you were treated as an adult in the sense, okay, you take your decision and you take responsibility for it. Okay? So it was like you were very much held accountable for your own decisions. So there were different types of people studying at ACE, and I performed very well as well, but you were let be. The result is on you. Sense of accountability to that was amazing. So teaching learning it was very practical, it was very engaging, very interactive. Question asking was always encouraged, and it was a very friendly, open environment where you could be yourself, you could figure out yourself, and then you really saw the results of your own doing. So people were really allowed to be themselves. So that was the teaching learning experience. At ACE too, looking back, what perhaps could have been better is what I hear from people who did bachelors here. Industry perhaps it would be even better. A little bit more industry experience maybe would have been better. And then